Hey son, your mom just tell me you get into a fight today. I've been getting bullied for an entire year and I just cracked. I'm sorry. Why you not tell me? I did tell you. I know. Your mom very upset with you. What, you think you the Jackie Chan, huh? I am very upset with you. Did you win? Yeah, I did. I knocked him out. Yes, good job. You naughty boy. Fucking my young dong me. Mom made phone. No dinner for you. What? I buy for you the McDonald's. Really? You need to be more angry at me. Oh yeah, true. Why are you doing this to me? He deserved it. Good. What? You want to talk back to me, huh, boy? Wait, what are you doing? Fighting. It's not good. You need to get hurt. Ow! What the fuck? Oh shit. Run!